Hello, Sandra.
It's a balmy minus 140 degrees in Vancouver.
This is awesome. So, Sandra, tell us a little bit about yourself and why you're here.
I'm here because I think this is a good idea to help with my pain management. Although as I'm slowly freezing, it's like, it's awesome actually. I'm always looking for different treatments and healthy treatments that are outside of the medical industry to deal with pain and pain management. So, and I think this has been really an interesting adventure.
Awesome, thank you. So, what kind of pain are you dealing with?
I've had a car accident in late May, and I have pain in my upper back and shoulders, and in my lower back area. So I always have to be really kind of careful in how I deal with it.
Okay. Give yourself a little turn, okay?
Huh?
Give yourself a little turn.
Yeah. My
And
body's cold.
yeah, so we'll talk to the back of your head for now.
Okay.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say your normal pain is?
Usually about 6 to 7.
6 to 7, okay. And do you find after the treatments you feel better, or does it take a few treatments, or?
I found that after the first treatment I felt better. So that's why with the second treatment I'm really interested to see how much difference that makes too.
Okay, great.
So,
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay.
My
got
butt is cold.
You got 2 seconds left, so thank you, Sandra.